ready? Are you ready?
Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up my canal. So I'm here to do an unboxing and at the same time show you guys how I make my fruit water. I got this container from TK Maxx if you live in the Netherlands. So this was on barbecue, like just wanted to spend quality time with my family. I do have like a lot of activities like this in the house with the kids. Sometimes I do film it and sometimes I don't. So this particular video was actually for last year 2022 summer. I filmed it, but I didn't film the entire process. So I said to myself, I just wanted to film it for memories. And then I was just going through my phone and I saw the video. I'm like, yo, I can upload this video and take out the part that I don't want to share, because some of the quality time are just memories for me and my family. It's not everything I want to put out there. So I was like, but this part, it was just me trying to set up things. And I thought, let me share it with you guys. So I got all my fruits ready, and I got some ice block, I got some water. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this container, make sure it's clean. I'm trying to cover the fruits because the weather was so beautiful and the flies were everywhere. So I bought this fan from, I think from the Lidl or from the Aldi, I can't remember anymore. And I had this fan on and it actually get rid of the flies. I set up some swimming pool, some like this swimming bath for the kids, and it was just amazing. It was really amazing. It was just a beautiful moment. I just wanted to spend time with my kids, and my friends saw this video. I posted it on my WhatsApp and they're like, you did not invite any of us. And I was like, sorry, this was just for my family. Was just wanted to spend quality time with my family. And these are the days that I wasn't actually in the mood of going out, even though the weather was nice. I didn't want to go anywhere. I just wanted to stay home and spend some time with the kids. So I thought, you know what, since I didn't want to go out, let me make something at home, make some barbecue. I went to the market and everybody in my house, we all love fruits. So I thought, you know what, let me just go to the market and buy a bunch of different tropical fruit and make like this fruit water and make like a something like a fruit barbecue. Even though yes, I do had some meats, but majority was fruit and the kids loved it. We had such a great time, and I really enjoy spending moments like this with my kids. It's just me and my family. I don't really need to invite anybody. I don't really need to invite anybody. It's just me, my household. If you're not living in my house, you're not welcome. It's just me and my household. And occasions that I like to invite friends around, I would do that separately. But sometimes I just wanted to spend quality time with my kids and let's just have fun. So we had music, we had the swimming pool, and it was just amazing. So yeah, I'm done fixing this thing together because I wanted to fix it first and see how it looks. Done fixing it together, so now I'm taking it to the kitchen to wash it. As you guys can see, I've washed everything. So I'm making two different type of fruit. The one of the container, I'm going to add orange, lemon, and some pineapple. Orange, the green lime, and pineapple. I'm gonna add some ice block and some water. That is what I'm going to be using. And the other one, I'm adding some peppermint, and I can't really see, peppermint, cucumber, and strawberries. So I'm just making, and it was amazing. The kids loved it. That everything was finished by the end of the day. So this was just like lunch slash dinner because there was enough meat. There I made our favorites, which was fish and plantain, and I did that, and it was amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing, and they loved it. So I didn't really I didn't really need to cook dinner because I started this around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I think 11 o'clock in the morning, I start preparing everything, and then it was like 1 o'clock, we start with everything, and we start outside till like 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, and the weather was still nice, so I didn't really need to cook because everybody's stomach was just full. We're all just full. We're all just lying down there listening to music, playing game, and playing some game, and it was just amazing. So yeah, this is just I thought, let me share it with you guys. I have the other video where I show you guys how I set up everything. I don't know if I will upload that, but I thought this is amazing one. I want to share this moment with you guys, and for some of you guys who want to know how to make fruit water, that is how you make this. Anyway, this is how I make my own fruit water. And first, you're gonna allow it to sit down for a couple of minutes. Then you really can taste it. Just allow it to sit if you want to really get the taste of the fruit. Allow it to sit, and the flies were ridiculous because it's hot, and you guys know when it's hot, flies come. And I'm going to add some ice block just to give it that extra coldness. So now that this part is done, what I'm going to do is I want to kind of like clean the area. I've already prepare all the food. As you guys can see, I'm in my swimming wears, just that I have something on top to kind of give it a bit of protection because we're not ready yet to jump into the pool that I set up. And yeah, so now everything is kind of ready. The kids are coming, and I thought, okay, let me just set the table, push everything together. I got like really, really nice fruits. I got amazing fruits. My kids love the fruits. The kids went in on the fruits, especially my youngest daughter. The two girls, let's just say the two girls are a big fruit lover. They love this. I try to do this very often. I do this very often. Sometimes if the weather is nice, we do it outside in the backyard, and sometimes we just do it in the living room. And I have this thing which we call electric barbecue. In Holland we call it gourmet. It's like a gourmet electric barbecue. You can use this outside and inside. I also have the normal barbecue which you have to set up, but trust me, laziness would not allow me to set that one up because I don't have time to be blowing smoke. I don't have time for smoke to come to my face, so laziness will not allow me to set up that one. So that one is just there like when I'm having friends, when I'm having like barbecue with friends and we all come together and do barbecue. That is when I use that one. But this one I use it mostly when I'm just for me and my family, because I know it's not like a major barbecue. And one thing I know about this electric barbecue, you can use it outside of the house, and you also can use it inside of the house. So most of the time whenever I want to do like this mini barbecues with the kids, like shrimp, like just tiny stuff, we do this in the living room. We put this on the center table in front of the TV. We are watching TV, and we are doing some electric barbecue, and we are eating, we are having fun. For some of you guys, those of you that knows me know that I'm a really home person. I like to go out, but majority of the time I like to be home. I like to be in my comfortable space, which is my home. I like to be home and do activities that I like. And one thing me and my family we like to do is eat. That's the reason why I like to cook. I'm always looking at cooking videos, trying to come up with simple dish that does not take long. So now I'm just trying to set up the table. I also made some fried fish and plantains separately because I know that is everyone's favorite. So now this is the finished result. I put the plates, the table, the spraying oil for the electric barbecue. So this is the fried fish I made. Everybody had their own. You don't need to share with anyone. And this was it. And the swimming pool is almost full because I'm trying to fill it up with water. So this is it, guys. I hope you all like this. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think of this